We are starting out on the Rainbow Vista Trail in Valley of Fire State Park, Nevada. And here's the trailhead for Rainbow Vista. There are enough colors in this park that I'm looking forward to seeing why this trail is called Rainbow Vista. It must be a nuclear combination of colors. We'll find out. These are frozen sand dunes, 150 million years old from the time dinosaurs walked the earth. One pretty amazing thing right off is to notice that there's some wonderful red sand here. And this solidified into sand dunes when dinosaurs were running around in this area 150 million years ago. Good trail markings along the way. I hope that, unlike the pinnacle trails, the markings won't leave when you most need them. But you can see where you need some markings because you're traversing open desert area, and yeah, it looks pretty simple at first glance, but believe me, it is so easy to get lost in these hills, to get disoriented. So anytime you're traversing open desert, it may look simple, but I always keep a frame of reference. By the way, let's just go ahead and do a 360-degree view, or continue our 360-degree view. There's a little interesting balancing rock act. That's not going to last there too long. Okay, onward. Be prepared to walk a good way of this trail on sand. It's like if you've ever hiked on a sand dune. Here you have it, only it's flat at this point. There are some nice little markers here encouraging you to take pictures at certain points. And that's actually good. If you've ever hiked with someone who notices things you do not, it's always good to have someone say, hey, slow down, take a look at what you can see from this spot. So that's a nice little feature along this trail. Here's a 360-degree view again. And you can see the expanse of Valley of Fire State Park and some of the colors in the distance. Pretty cool. It's in the shade right here, but here are some of those rainbow colors for which Rainbow Vista Trail gets its name. Okay, we're headed toward Fire Canyon Overlook, but at this point, let's take a quick 360-degree view. Rainbow Vista Trail. Here's looking back toward the trailhead. And we're in a kind of canyon right now. This must be Fire Canyon, the beginning. More designs in these rocks than human creativity could ever imagine. Continuing onward toward Fire Canyon Overlook. Just want to take another quick 360-degree view. Seems that at every bend in these trails here, there's something very beautiful and unique to look at. Here's looking back. This little narrow pass we just went through. Okay, let's continue on toward that Fire Canyon Overlook. Approaching Fire Canyon Overlook, and we are definitely in a rugged canyon at this point. Look at these walls. So looking back toward the trailhead. This kind of looks like the grand staircase here in the Calico Basin.